Hello, dear viewers. This is third tutorial of our Classera series. And in this video, we will be learning how to upload any kind of assignment or worksheet on your Classera account. So let's begin our uploading process. So here we have three classes and grade 12 is here. So I want to upload any kind of worksheet or any questions or any kind of material on our Classera. So you can see when you click your cursor on this tab, you can find the numerical numbers from 1 to 5 and click on second one. You will find the options of uploading course material, videos, new submission, or virtual classrooms. I have to click on course material, and then it will bring you this interface where you can upload the course material in the form of PDF, PPT, or Excel file. So click on upload new course material over here. Then you have to give the title of your worksheet or any kind of assignment. So here we have worksheet number 3 because already 2 worksheets have been uploaded on this class. The format can be the Word file, it can be PPT, it can be PDF, it can be Excel or zip file. So you can see these are the possible options of the formats. Now you have to click on choose file. Here I have already prepared my worksheet. So this is third worksheet for grade 12. And then you have to click on allow students to download because it gives them chance to download and prepare and answer the worksheets, and they can re-upload the worksheet after they have solved it. So click on allow button, and then here the course preparation means the topic which you have uploaded on weekly lesson plan. So you can check this one, or if you don't want, you can skip it. So here I have uploaded, this is topic for external influences on business activities. Here we have to choose school library, and then for which class you are going to upload, you can select either 12O or P or both. So because I am uploading this worksheet for both of the sections, so I am checking this option for both, and then upload this worksheet on your Classera. After a few seconds, your worksheet will be successfully uploaded. You can see the green color is showing the file has been saved. It means this worksheet has been uploaded. After uploading, you can see this, how many people have downloaded or view this worksheet from this option. Let's suppose I have uploaded worksheet number 1. So I want to see how many students have viewed this. Click on this and click on statistics. Again, click on this arrow button and then statistics. Worksheet number 1 was viewed by 4 people and not yet viewed by 31. So it means you can follow up with your students. In next video, I will be making how to send them email or follow-up message on Classera accounts. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned on this channel. Thank you very much.